double hack for you. Winterizing the camper, super quick, super easy, in under a couple minutes. Sounds too good to be true. How about a double hack? Check this out. Check this out. Are you picking up what I'm putting down yet? So these campers, they basically all have nowadays picks that runs out, and they're drains. That's all they are, is drains with a thread on them. So put on 2 cut-off valves, one for hot, one for cold. At the end, put on a air chuck, a male air chuck, and a male air chuck, so that wintertime, put air to it, turn it on, and it will flush out your whole system, the whole thing. And then all you gotta do is pop your heater, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, man. So all you do is pop your gray tank and your black tank, open them up, drain them out, air to your cold, and it takes care of the whole system. You don't have to worry about RV antifreeze or anything like that. Unnecessary. Didn't I tell you build more with less was going to save you time and money? Right there, it saves you time, and time is money. Ready for hack number 2? Check it out. You're gonna like this. Look at that. That's a female air chuck. Why, you say? Because when you're at the beach and you want to rinse off your feet from the sand, you know what I'm saying? La la la. Oh, you want hot? Oh, okay. Oh, that's hot. Oh. Go build something and share it.